Okay, we're going to start chapter 4 today. Chapter 4.1 is on classified ads when you buy a car. Number 1 says the North Shore News charges $19.50 for a 2-line classified ad. Each additional line costs $7. How much does a 6-line cost? Well, the first 2 lines cost $19.50, so there's 2 out of the 6. And then each line after that costs $7. All right, so we have 2 lines at $19.50 and we need 4 lines at $7 to get our 6-line ad. So you add these 2 together, gives you $47.50. Problem 2. Samantha purchased a used car for $4,200. Her state charges 4% tax for the car, $47 for license plates, and $35 for the state safety and emissions inspection. How much does Samantha need to pay for these extra charges? Well, the tax for the car is $4,200 times the 4% tax rate, plus her license plates, which are $47, plus her inspection, which is $35. Okay, so multiply 4,200 times 0.04 first, then add on 47, then add on 35, gives you $250. Question 3. The Bayside Bugle charges by word to run classified ads. The newspaper charges $18 for the first 20 words and 35 cents for each additional word. How much would a 27-word classified ad cost? So, for the first 20, for the first 20 words, we have $18. Okay, we want 27 words, so for the next 7 words, it's 35 cents per word. Add these 2 chunks together. So multiply 7 times 35 cents, add on your $18, gives you $20.45. Question 4. The Kings Park Register gives senior citizens a 10% discount on classified ads. Mr. Quadrino, a senior citizen, is selling his car and wants to take out a 4-line ad. The paper charges $6.50 per line. Okay, what is the price for the ad? So 4 lines times $6.50 per line, okay, so a simple multiplication gives you $26. Now, he gets a discount because he's a senior citizen, okay? So you can find out what is 10%. So you can do 26 times 0.10, okay, you can do it that way, and then subtract it from 26, or you take 10% off of your cost, which leaves 90% left that he has to pay, so you can do 26 times 90%, or 0.9, gives you $23.40. Number 5, Leslie placed this ad in the Collector Car Monthly. 1957 Chevy Nomad station wagon, tropical turquoise, 6-cylinder auto, power steering, power windows, AM, FM, repainted, rebuilt transmission, restored 2-tone interior, mint, moving sacrifice, $52,900, okay, and the phone number. If the newspaper charges $48 for the first 3 lines and $5 for each extra line, how much will this ad cost Leslie? Well, if you look at the lines, we have 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. So the paper charges $48 for the first 3 lines. We don't have any more than that, so $48 would be the charge. Ruth buys the car for 8% less than the advertised price. How much does she pay? Well, if she paid 100%, that would be $52,900. But she took 8% off that. So 100% minus 8% is 92%. So take your sale price of $52,900, multiply it by 92% or 0.92, gives you a sale price of $48,668. Part C, Ruth must pay her state 6% sales tax on the sale. How much will she pay? So take the price she paid, $48,668, times 0.06 for the 6% tax, gives you a sales tax of $2,920.08. And problem number 6. The cost of an ad in a local paper is given by the piecewise function. So a piecewise function, guys, is just more than one equation. So you got a first equation here, 38, okay, 38 when x is less than or equal to 4, and then you have another equation, 38 plus 6.25 times x minus 4 when x is greater than 4. Okay, so it says find the cost of a 3-line ad. Okay, so here is your X is the number of lines in your ad. Okay, so if X is 3, okay, X is in this first equation up here. Okay, because if X is 3, that's less than or equal to 4. 3 is less than or equal to 4. So we know we're going to pay a flat fee of $38. Find the difference in cost between a 1-line ad and a 4-line ad. Well, 1 is less than or equal to 4, and 4 is also less than or equal to 4. Okay, so that difference, they both pay 38, okay, whether it's a 1-line ad or a 4-line ad, so the difference there would be 0. Part C, find the cost of a 7-line ad. Well, 7 lines, that is not less than or equal to 4, so we're going to use this second equation here. Okay, because 7 is greater than 4. So all you do is use this equation right here. Okay, use that equation and plug in 7 for X. So 38 plus 6.25 times X is now 7, so 7 minus 4. Okay, put this into the calculator just as you see it, and it should work out just fine. $56.75. Okay, so that's it for section 4.1.